Welcome back, everyone. I'm so excited to have you here today because we're diving into a topic that affects all of us, cyber threats. In this video, we'll explore the different types of cyber threats out there, how they can impact our lives, and most importantly, how we can protect ourselves. So grab a snack, sit back, and let's get started. At first, we discuss about cybercrime. Cybercrimes are, as the name implies, crimes committed using computers, phones, or the internet. Some types of cybercrime include 1. Illegal interception of data, 2. System interferences, 3. Copyrights infringements, 4. Sale of illegal items. Now we are going to know about cybersecurity. So cybersecurity is the body of technologies, processes, and practices involved in protecting individuals and organizations from cybercrime. It is designed to protect integrity of networks, computers, programs, and data from attack, damage, or unauthorized access. Now we know about cybersecurity principles. There are 5 key principles in cybersecurity. 1. Confidentiality, 2. Integrity, 3. Availability, 4. Accountability, 5. Auditability. Cybersecurity principle definitions. Confidentiality, a set of rules that limits access or place restrictions on certain type of information. Integrity, assurance that the information is trustworthy and accurate. Availability, the guarantee of reliable access to the information by authorized people. Accountability is an assurance that an individual or an organization will be evaluated on their performance or behavior related to something for which they are responsible. Auditability, a security audit is a systematic evaluation of the security of a company's information system by measuring how well it conforms to a set of established criteria. About cyber threat. A cyber threat is any malicious act that attempts to gain access to a computer network without authorization or permission from the owners. It refers to the wide range of malicious activities that can damage or disrupt a computer system, a network, or the information it contains. Most common cyber threats: social engineered Trojans, unpatched software, phishing, network worms, etc. Sources of cyber threats. Cyber threats can come from a wide variety of sources. Some notable examples include 1. National governments, 2. Terrorists, 3. Industrial secret agents, 4. Rogue employees, 5. Hackers, 6. Business competitors, 7. Organization insiders. Now we are going to describe cyber threat classifications. Threats can be classified by multiple criteria. 1. Attacker's resources, 2. Attacker's organization, 3. Attacker's funding. On basis of these criteria, threats are of 3 types. 1. Unstructured threats, 2. Structured threats, 3. Highly structured threats. Now we know about unstructured cyber threats. 1. Resources, individual or small group. 2. Organization, little or no organization. 3. Funding, negligible. 4. Attack, easy to detect and make use of freely available cyber attack tool. 5. Exploitation based on documented vulnerabilities. Structured cyber threats. 1. Resources, well-trained individual or group. 2. Organization, well-planned. 3. Funding, available. 4. Attack, against particular individual or organizations. 5. Exploitation based on information gathering. Highly structured cyber threats. 1. Extensive organization, resources, and planning over time. 2. Attack, long-term attack on particular machine or data. 3. Exploitation with multiple methods, technical, social, and insider help. Cybersecurity Threat Index Level. Cyber threats are evaluated daily by the CTU, Counter Threat Unit, and associated with a threat index level. 1. Level 1, guarded. 2. Level 2, elevated. 3. Level 3, high. 4. Level 4, critical. Types of cyber attacks. Advanced Persistent Threat (APT). A network attack in which an unauthorized person gains access to network and stays there undetected for a long period of time. Backdoor. Method of bypassing normal authentication and gaining access in OS or application. Types of cyber attacks continued. Buffer overflow. An exploit that takes advantage of the program that is waiting for a user's input. man-in-the-middle attack. This attack intercepts and relays messages between two parties who are communicating directly with each other. Types of cyber attacks continued. Cross-site scripting, XSS. A code injection attack that allows an attacker to execute malicious JavaScript in another user's browser. Denial of service attack. Any attack where the attackers attempt to prevent the authorized users from accessing the service. SQL injection. A very common exploited web application vulnerability that allows malicious hacker to steal and alter data in websites' database. Zero-day exploit. A vulnerability in a system or device that has been disclosed but is not yet patched. Impacts of cyber attacks. A successful cyber attack can cause major damage to organizations or systems, as well as to business reputation and consumer trust. Some potential results include 1. Financial loss. 2. Reputational damage. 3. Legal consequences. Types of malicious code. Virus. Malicious software program. When it is executed, it replicates itself by modifying other computer programs and inserting its own code. Network worm. Standalone malware which replicates itself in order to spread to other computers. Types of malicious code continue. Trojan horse. A program that claims to free your computer from viruses, but instead introduces viruses onto your system. Botnet. Used to perform distributed denial of service attack, DDoS attack, steal data, send spam, and allow the attacker access to the device and its connection. Types of malicious code continue. Keylogger. A type of surveillance technology used to monitor and record each keystroke typed on specific computer's keyboard. Rootkit. Collection of tools or programs that enable administrator-level access to computer or computer network. Spyware. Software that is hidden from the user in order to gather information about internet interaction, keystrokes, passwords, and other valuable data. Adware. Designed to display advertisements on your computer and redirect your search requests to advertising websites to collect marketing data about you. Ransomware. Malware that prevents or limits users from accessing their system, either by locking the system's screen or by locking the user's files unless a ransom is paid. Now we discuss about what is a vulnerability, a cybersecurity term that refers to a flaw in a system that can leave it open to attack. Vulnerability is the composition of 3 elements. 1. A flaw in system. 2. Access of attacker to that flaw. 3. Capability of attacker to exploit the flaw. Classification of vulnerabilities. Vulnerabilities are classified according to the asset. 1. Hardware. 2. Software. 3. Network. 4. Personal. 5. Physical site. 6. Organizational. Causes of vulnerability. Some of the vulnerability in the system occur due to 1. Missing patches. 2. Clear text credentials. 3. Using unencrypted channels. 4. RF emanation. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into cyber threats. Remember, in this digital age, it's crucial to stay vigilant and informed. By being aware of the various cyber threats and implementing the right security measures, you can greatly reduce the risk of falling victim to these online dangers. If you found this video informative and want to stay updated on all things tech, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon to join our growing community. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and share it with your friends and family to spread the word about the importance of cybersecurity. As always, thank you for watching, and until next time, stay safe, stay secure, and keep exploring the incredible world of technology.